I'll frill this bit here. Bonsoir! Bonsoir! Thank you.
What about Netflix? Are you a fan of Netflix and are you aware that they're not allowed in the competition?
That over there is the red carpet, which is getting very difficult to get on. That's me recording. Do you like my dress? I'll frill this bit here and it goes a bit longer here. Not sure about the choker, but I had the choker made out of the material. Well, there's lots of material in the dress, so I just decided to chop a bit off and make the little choker. And I did say that I was going to get back to you last night, but I got too engrossed with my friend from Frejus. He met up with me last night and we went to a place called Mom in Cannes, and if you've never been there, then that is a complete, total recommendation, honestly. It is amazing, loved it. That's the palette, although it's a little bit dirty, so I'm sorry, but can you see these colours are amazing? I like matte colours because when you're getting a bit older, then you don't see the creases in your eyes. So I've got a matte orange, but I do have a bit of sparkle on as well, just in the corners. And I've been able to put the contour on as well. I've been playing about. So I'm sure my daughter's going to be quite proud of my eye makeup, and I've just done my own here, just because when you're in France, just let it go dry in the sun, and then I've just took the tongue, the GHDs over that. So I'm going on the red carpet right now. Wish me luck. I've not got any passes yet. I've been really struggling to get passes. They're like gold dust. So I might get a chance to interview someone on that red carpet, and I'm going to try my damnedest. I mean, life's what you make it. Just here I am. I've turned up in Cannes. I'm going to do my thing and just see how it goes. I will see you guys later. And remember, tune into Total Evelyn and subscribe, hit the notification button and keep doing that, because then you'll get all the up-to-date videos that I'm doing, and it is going to be fun. It is quite interesting, I think. And I mean, I'm going to be in Cannes Festival, so if you've never been to Cannes, then it's worth a watch. And please comment on the videos and I will catch you later on for sure. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye. The whole point of me going to the Cannes Festival, as you know, is to do a little bit of vlogging, and I'm looking for a good story. Sure, going by the entertainment I had last night, there's bound to be some kind of story that everybody wants to tell. It's just, I don't know if you've seen the stories that I've been putting up on Instagram, but it is buzzing, honestly, it's buzzing, and the places are just full of people who just want to have fun, and of course I love to see that. So let's see how it goes. I've got my nice tuna sandwich, I'll show you that. French style, yum yum yum. From this that I love actually is Paul, nice, and the coffee as well. It's Paul. Bye, see you soon.
I would love to post it on Instagram. Yeah, I would share. What about Netflix? Are you a fan of Netflix and are you aware that they're not allowed in the competition?
That over there is the red carpet, which is getting very difficult to get on. Apparently they're banning selfies as well. Nobody's said anything to me as yet. We're going straight up the hill. Bonsoir! Bonsoir! Thank you. Hello there. Many a night I have travelled up and down these steps when I've had a few drinks. Tried to go down the hill is a bit of a struggle. So we're, oh there we go. This is Charlie's, the first one. In fact, I'm not sure. There's 3 Charlies. One behind me here. This is Charlie's. And that one. And that one. This one. Right, there's another one.
Original?
The original.
It's Charlie.
I should.
It's me, it's Charlie. It's me.
Original Charlie.
It's original.
How many bars do you have in total?
12 years.
How many?
12 ans. 12 ans.
12.
12 years?
Yes.
So this is the original Charlie's. This is just from my memory because this used to be one of the best places in Cannes to come, and probably still is. Charlie himself who was giving me a nice red Merlot. Okay, I'll see you soon, probably before I get my train.